Welcome to the Department of Fashion Design and Cosmetology at the Siaya National Polytechnic, where creativity becomes your career and your dreams begin. We offer nationally recognized industry-aligned programs from certificate, artisan level 4 and diploma level 5 and 6, levels in fashion design, level 3, 4 and 5, garment making, grade 3, beauty therapy, grade 3, hairdressing, grade 3, barbering, fashion management, level 6, and cosmetology, level 4, 5 and 6. Entry is within reach with a KCSE mean grade of E or D- or below. For some entry-level artisan courses, you can start your journey at level 3 or 4 and progress all the way up through structured TVET pathways. But this isn't just classroom learning. You'll train in professional workshops and fully equipped salons, sketching designs, cutting patterns, sewing garments, perfecting makeup artistry, mastering the latest hairstyling, beauty treatments, and nail technology, guided by experienced, passionate trainers. Our graduates don't just leave with certificates, they leave with confidence, professional portfolios, real-world skills, and the entrepreneurial mindset to thrive in Kenya's booming creative fashion and beauty industry. Your future in fashion and beauty isn't somewhere out there. It starts right here at the Siaya National Polytechnic. Join us, learn, create, shine, because at Siaya, training is life and your potential has no limits. Apply today for our May 2026 intake and kickstart your journey into a thriving career. Visit our website www.siayapolytechnic.ac.ke to begin.
Welcome to the Siaya National Polytechnic at the Department of Fashion Design and Cosmetology, where we offer skills from the basic skills to advanced and professional skills.
The Siaya National Polytechnic, shaping creativity and innovation, stitching futures.